Hi friends, welcome to my Learning Points YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to install Laravel 7 in your local system. Here I am going to install Laravel 7 in our directory. So I am going to install Laravel 7 in var www html folder. To install Laravel, we need to go the laravel.com site and we can copy this code that will install Laravel via Composer, and my folder name is blog, and I need to provide the version which I am going to install. Here I am using 7 point start, that means the Laravel 7 will install. So now we can see the Laravel installation process begin, and it's showing version 7.28, and here we can see the environmental file created and it's updating all the dependencies. So here we can see there are 100 packets installed, and they are installing many other things, related things, and it's showing loading from cache. That means in my system the Laravel is downloaded and it's installing from the downloaded folder. So now we can see in our system the Laravel is installed successfully and package manifest generated successfully, and the new application key is set successfully. So in our block folder this project is installed. So to access we need to go to cd block. So here we can see all the files and folders created in your directory. To run this project we need to use php artisan command. We need to use php artisan serve. So now project is started, and here we can see the project link where the server is started, and just click on the copy and paste in our browser. So here we can see my site is running. So this is the basic installation process of Laravel 7 using Composer. Next day I will discuss about the created files and folder. Hope you understand this tutorial. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.